Okay, here's how you start achieving the goals on your vision board. First is decide and take action. Bro, feeling mo ba walang nangyayari sa araw-araw na pagpo-post mo online? Here's the reason bakit kailangan mo magpatuloy. When you focus on blessings, you will receive blessings. Actually, one of my goal this year is achieving my first 10k solid supporters here on TikTok. And nag-start akong gumawa ng yellow basket is 59 followers pa lang ako nun. Nagsimula naman ako magseryoso as being a content creator nitong buwan lang. And nakakatuwa dahil sa ilang araw na tuloy-tuloy at paggawa ng videos, ang dami na nangyari. Ang dami ng blessings na dumating, like gaining 20 to 30 followers every week. This isn't bad for beginners dahil nakikita mong may progress. Stay consistent and be grateful for the journey you have. Always follow the numbers. Be consistent. We are all part of somebody else's story. And kaya mo yan, kapatid. Then by the way guys, this is day 25 of Project 50. See you guys tomorrow.